This is what we're going to do in the first session until 1 o'clock, so glass wall. And then in the afternoon we're going to make a stone water wall here. Tomorrow we're going to make a thread fountain, and in the first session in the morning and in the afternoon we're going to make water treatment. So these go here, and you use these bolts. You can do it like that, or you can do it like that, it doesn't matter. It's going to mark the distance here. After you have the position, then you put these, then fix it, because now you can move it, but after you have fixed this one, it's not moving. Then we will have 2 of these, which then will hold the overflow channel. I would ask you to do everything yourself. It's not because I'm lazy, it's because I want you to feel it, to handle all the things. And if you have done it one time yourself, you have super confidence. Yeah.
Ready?
It has to be down.
Okay.
Because
a little bit higher.
Actually,
for
we
the
have
glove.
we have to measure. This is really the most important thing of the whole Waterwall business: overflow channel. With this system, we will be able to, adjust it very, very accurately. Because sometimes it's a half a millimeter. You have to adjust to the level, because sometimes you have too much water here or too much water there, and with this you can do it super precisely. The next thing would be to put in the glass plate.
Yeah.
You're not careful when letting down so that you don't hurt your arm. You just put it there, and then you grab the red ones and turn. At the end, the overall length is going to be 80, as you see. Don't go through it, you press a little and you turn it so it cuts. And then you press a little bit more and you turn, and then after you have the half, then you can cut through easily. After you have cut it like that, you use this to clean the edge. Now if you want to look, I think, yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Now I have closed this wall more. Now we're building the stone water wall, and it is not fixed to the ceiling, but it is fixed to a back wall. Challenge is to distribute it. It will distribute itself after a while. You don't see so much from here, because, disadvantage of the old system. The next step is to measure the distance from the top of the thread pipe till the bottom. It's nylon and it's 4 millimeter wide, and I think it's 0.25 millimeters thick.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so we have 160 here. Okay, now you leave the scissor and you go with your thread here and I go over there. You ready?
Ready?
So now I cut, I leave the scissor and I go there.
You know what I mean?
Oh.
What we mean is they cut. Enjoy it. It's like repeating.
Yeah.
And what we want to have is, we want to have the water level exactly maybe 1 to 3 millimeters over, but not below. Put it in, press a little bit, and that's it.
Oh, is it like valve?
It clicks.
That's why we bring. It's a chemical thing that it's inside.
It's almost like a foam rocket.
Yeah. This is good.
Yeah.
I'm different.
Congratulations.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.